Yeah.
Look at that.
Welcome to this masterpiece.
Views.
Views. Hey guys, welcome to another High Homes video. Today we have a very special guest.
Hi guys, I'm Cass, property specialist with High Homes. We have this incredible villa, new listing. Are you ready? Here we go.
Let's get loud. Turn the music up, let's do it. Come on, people, let's get loud.
Wow, look at this entrance, Cass. This is incredible.
Yes, welcome to this masterpiece. This is what it's all about.
This is just incredible. Like, I've never seen anything like it.
Stunning. Panoramic sea views, Kian. Now this is a view.
I totally agree. So, Cass, where are we right now? Where is this house?
We are in Torrenueva, which is Mijas Costa.
Right, so for all of you guys, if you guys don't know the area, the closest town to us right now is La Cala de Mijas. If you want to see our area guide in La Cala de Mijas, press that button there. Cass, how big is this plot? It's massive.
It's actually 950 square meters, Kian, which is a really good size.
I mean, everywhere you look, you've got an incredible view, and it's very private, right? Like, no
Yeah.
one can look into you.
Yeah, and I find the beauty of this villa is you're up the mountain, but look how close we still are to the beach.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I actually think this might be one of the highest plots in Torrenueva.
Yeah,
It's not overlooked at all.
Exactly. Okay, Kian, so this property is divided into 2 floors. We have 4 bed, 4 bath, and it's actually 230 square meters built. Unique for sure, and you're getting views from all the different angles. But wait till we see the rooftop.
I'll follow you.
Okay,
have a
let's
look.
go. My favorite part.
Wow,
I was waiting for that reaction.
that's a view. I mean,
Yes.
downstairs was good enough. This is incredible.
Yes,
Look at that.
I love this space. This was actually an addition
Okay.
only 2 years ago.
Okay.
So it can be considered a bedroom for sure, or extra living space.
And you've got a bathroom there as well, which is
Yes,
great.
bathroom there. We have a really nice kitchen, so you can actually entertain your guests.
I don't think you want to leave. I mean, once you're here, this is incredible. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow! What do you think?
I don't have words. I do not have words.
It feels like we're on top of the world up here. I love it.
So, Mark,
Yeah.
you can see a faro over there, you see? That's El Faro. You can see El Faro, you can see Mijas, you can see La Cala. You're sitting here, you know, enjoying these fantastic views. But no cash.
Yeah, it's really, really great. So again, huge windows, floor to ceiling, light coming from every direction. And again, it's all about the views.
This is like, honestly, like breathtaking. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the rest. Amazing gas
Amazing
fireplace.
gas fireplace, entertainment center.
Yeah.
We have a little desk area, which I thought's pretty cute with the windows. Again, looking
totally.
at the sea.
Totally, right.
Yeah.
Look at this kitchen, great size.
Huge kitchen, lots of, workspace for cooking, hanging out at the bar.
Like super social area. Lovely.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on this level we have the bedrooms, and on the top we have the roof terrace. Is that right?
Yeah, we do.
Right, let's have a look at the bedroom. A few things I've noticed is the house is fully domotic, so everything's controlled by the domotic system, which is really, really cool. You
Yes.
just press the screen, turn the lights on,
Yes,
right?
exactly. So this is my favorite area of the house because again, the views. So check out the first bedroom. This one's my personal favorite because you have so much light coming in from different angles. Private terrace. I mean, it's so fresh
I mean,
and light.
waking up with these views is just amazing.
Yeah, it's
So
incredible.
these 2 bedrooms are en suite, right?
Yes, both have ensuite. So we have first bathroom in here.
Okay. Oh,
Huge
very nice.
size, double sinks, big shower.
Nice. Wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
Right. Let's keep on going.
Okay, and then to the right, we have our next bedroom, which is even bigger, I think. And we have, again, private terrace. Yes.
Views.
And
Views,
green, and
views.
green. Very lush green, lots of trees, right into the sea.
And that's the bathroom over there, right?
Yes.
Great size, ensuite, plenty of wardrobe space.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we pass through the entrance again and the kitchen. And we're looking at another bedroom with the bathroom right next to it. But
Nice size. Oh, this
again,
has got access to like a private terrace area in the back.
exactly.
Well, that's really nice as well. And the perfect, kids' bedroom, I suppose. Having running
Yeah,
around.
yeah.
Double beds, lovely. Cass, we've seen the house, we've seen the outdoor areas, this incredible 4-bed, 4-bath property. The most important question: how much is this villa listed for with High Homes today?
It is listed for €2,250,000.
Now, that's incredible. 2,250,000 euros for this view, this location within Torrenueva. Wow. If you guys are in the market for such a listing, reach out.
Presente.